Are you looking for some creative baby shower ideas for 2024? Well, look no further because I have got you covered. Baby showers are a special time to celebrate the upcoming arrival of a new little one, and it's important to make sure the event is memorable and fun for everyone involved. Whether you're planning a baby shower for yourself or for a loved one, these ideas are sure to make the day extra special. One fun idea for a baby shower in 2024 is to have a gender reveal party. Instead of finding out the baby's gender before the shower, have the parents-to-be reveal it to their guests during the party. This can be done in a variety of ways, such as cutting into a cake with pink or blue filling, popping a balloon filled with colored confetti, or even using colored smoke bombs. It's a fun and exciting way to share the news with friends and family. Another creative idea for a baby shower is to have a themed party. Choose a theme that reflects the parents' interests or the nursery decor, such as a woodland theme, a nautical theme, or a vintage theme. Decorate the party space with decorations that match the theme, such as banners, balloons, and tableware. You can also ask guests to dress in accordance with the theme for added fun. If you're looking for a more interactive baby shower idea, consider hosting a DIY baby shower. Set up stations where guests can create handmade gifts for the baby, such as onesies, burp cloths, or nursery decor. Provide all the necessary materials, such as fabric markers, iron-on patches, and stencils, and let guests get creative. Not only will this give guests a fun activity to do during the shower, but it will also provide the parents-to-be with some special handmade gifts to cherish. For a more low-key baby shower idea, consider hosting a brunch or afternoon tea party. Serve up a spread of delicious finger foods, pastries, and beverages, and encourage guests to mingle and enjoy each other's company. You can also set up a mimosa bar or a tea station for guests to help themselves to drinks. This type of baby shower is perfect for a more relaxed and intimate gathering. If you're looking to add a touch of whimsy to your baby shower, consider hosting a baby shower carnival. Set up carnival games and activities for guests to enjoy, such as ring toss, beanbag toss, and balloon darts. You can also have a popcorn machine, cotton candy station, and a photo booth for guests to capture memories from the day. This type of baby shower is sure to be a hit with guests of all ages. For a more sentimental baby shower idea, consider hosting a baby shower scrapbooking party. Provide guests with scrapbooking supplies, such as paper, stickers, and embellishments, and ask them to create pages for a baby shower scrapbook. Guests can write messages, share advice, and include photos from the day. This is a special way to create a keepsake that the parents-to-be can cherish for years to come. No matter what type of baby shower you choose to host in 2024, the most important thing is to make sure the parents-to-be feel loved and celebrated. Whether you opt for a gender reveal party, a themed party, a DIY baby shower, a brunch or afternoon tea party, a baby shower carnival, or a baby shower scrapbooking party, the key is to create a memorable and enjoyable experience for everyone involved. So get creative, have fun, and celebrate the upcoming arrival of a new little one in style.